Hi, I'm Behrad Gorgani, founder of Toronto Lutherie guitar making school in the heart of downtown Toronto. In our school, we offer one-on-one as well as group classes, part-time, full-time for those who wish to build their own electric as well as acoustic instruments. For as long as I remember, I've been passionate about making guitars. Over the last 5 years, I've had the opportunity to study with some of the world's most renowned master luthiers like Phil Davis, Sergey Dujang, and Trevor Gore. Throughout my years of building guitars, I've managed to teach instrument making to many students at one of Canada's biggest art schools, Behrad University. My instruments have been featured on BBC, Voice of America, music albums, and award-winning movie soundtracks. Now, I would like to share my passion of guitar making with you. This is why I started Toronto Lutherie. So I welcome you to visit our website, torontolutherie.com, to learn more about our school and sign up for your favorite classes.